There is good cooperation in this regard. We always invite Pakistani media outlets to come to Saudi Arabia to cover events and conferences held in the kingdom. For example, covering the Hajj season, National Day celebrations, and political conferences held in the Saudi cities. We also aspire to increase cooperation between media outlets in both country, especially in the exchange of films and other productions to publish in media outlets in both countries to reflect the culture and history of both peoples. Broadcast all content that contributes the development of a relation between two brotherly countries. In addition, broadcast content about the Saudi Vision 2030, which is an ambitious vision to the Muslim and Arab countries and to all the world, and who could beneficial from this ambitious vision. But we need further cooperation between media outlets in private media outlets in both countries, and we hope in the future further cooperation in this regard, because this is very important, and people in both countries like to see drama or films from other culture, and especially from Saudi Arabia or from Pakistan. There are many projects in Saudi media landscape right now. For example, launch of a huge studio which is about 6,000 square meters in Riyadh. Also launch the new platform SEMA, which is included 1.2 visual and audio archival materials, and this will be inshallah help in the media sector for people who are interested in documentary program. The other thing, preparing for Saudi Media Forum will held in February 2024 in capital Riyadh. Also transition the famous Saudi channel Al Hadath and Al Arabiya from Dubai to Riyadh.